Let's learn about the uses of has, have and had to get 15 over 15 in this quiz. Has and have indicate present tense to have. Had used in the past tense to show the past activities. Has used with third person singular he, she and it. Have used with the first person I, we and with the third person plural they. Had used with all personal pronouns I, we, you, he, she, it and they. Japan blank a fascinating culture. Has. When I was 7, I blank a red bicycle. Had. Blank you adult in the house. Have. He blank a precious notebook which was lost. Had. Blank the buffalo 2 horns. Has. John blank completed his assignment before target date. Has. They blank many books. Have. She blank worked here for 3 years. Has. Jerry blank completed his graduation in 2020. Had. Do you blank a pen in your pocket? Have. My mom blank blue eyes. Has. I blank applied for an American visa. Have. She blank planned to spend her holidays in London. Has. Harry and John are brothers. They blank common residence. Have. She blank no job in 2019. Had. Hope so you liked the video, subscribe the channel and thanks for watching.